Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot. So I'm here with day 7 of my tags, and this is probably going to get posted a little earlier than some of my other tags have been lately, because tonight our store goes to 11 o'clock at night, so I won't be home probably close till midnight. And I know last night's was late of work, so I kind of wanted to get this one up a little earlier, so I'm still within, like, December 7th, day 7. So anyway, what I did was I went out and I cut a bunch of tags. So this is going to be a little different. And again, using the Crealies tags, and I will leave that information down below. So I went digging through my stash again, and I'm telling you right now, doing this has been kind of good because so far I've hauled out 2 bags of garbage out of my craft room. So it's also been very productive. So I kind of like that. So anyway, so let's go ahead and let's see. So just some cardstock paper that I cut out. This was a little brown, kind of like a little envelope I found. So I inked the edges red. And then this was a little word, believe. And I think this was actually probably from the Valentine's Day collection of wooden words. And I went ahead and inked it all green to go ahead and add. Then this cute little birdhouse sticker. And then I also have this little red and green clothespin, which is, I think, a Christmas collection also a couple years ago from Michael's. And then we're going to bring back our little snow and some stickles, some glitter, because I want to glitter up this because there's not much glitter in here. So I decided that I wanted to go ahead and add some glitter. So let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and use my art glitter glue. I'm going to go ahead and start with the little tag. I think this one's going to be cute too. And the pattern paper is just kind of scraps from my stash. And I actually wish that this one here, I could have changed the tag because I really liked the back better, but most of it's getting covered up anyway, so it didn't really matter too much. So, that down. Now this one here, I want to try to line things up. So what I want to do is make sure that they kind of line up so there's little bits of color showing. So let's see. I think I'm going to make a little mark with a pencil. So let's see. Great. Right about there. Just so I know where to go ahead and glue down this tag, or this envelope. So where's my mark? There. Go ahead and glue that down. And this little envelope right here is very thick. So just so you know what I had to do, because when I was trying to figure out what I was doing, my tag kept getting caught on the inside of my tag here, and it's just where the tag itself tucks in to like seal over. So what I did was, so it wouldn't keep catching, was I kind of opened it up and I put some Scotch tape over where the paper's folded over underneath so my tag wouldn't get caught. And now it slides in nice. So cute. And then I have some pattern paper, so I want to put it right there. So I hope you're liking these tags. They have been a lot of fun. Okay, and then this cute little birdhouse. So I wanted to stand for the birdhouse, so I figured, oh, that's right, I changed my mind, never mind. I was going to do, like, if I wanted to actually have a little post, I could do this, but then I decided that I wanted to do something else with that. But originally when I was kind of thinking it, that was going to be my post. But then I was having a hard time with the word believe, so I didn't end up putting that on there. So I want to stick this, I think, to the bottom. So figure out where my birdhouse goes. I'm going to add some extra glue. Again, because these stickers are pretty old. Put it right there. And then what I wanted to do is I wanted to add some snow to the roof. So I'm going to go ahead and add some glue. Actually, I think I want a little on, just kind of on the edge. Get some there too. And get it stuck in there. Kind of cute. And let's put a little, I guess maybe around the bottom. Here we go. It's kind of like that. There you go. So he's got a little bit of snow on him. Let's get rid of, pick up some of this. Alright, and then let's see. I want to add the leaf on here. And I'm not sure if I should have probably hot glued it, but I'm just going to try this for now and see. If I have to, I can just go back in later. I know it's going to have to set to dry, so. That there like that. So now we have that. And then I thought it needed some sparkle, so I want to go ahead and add some stickles to it. So let's put those down. Of course, it's going to be plugged up. It's funny because I tested it first just to make sure that it was going to work. And then, of course, now it's not. Alright, let me unplug this and let me just look real quick because I thought I had more. Let's see if this one is stuck. Oops, no. We're good on this guy. Stickles was also an obsession I had for a long time too, so I have a ton of Stickles colors. And this will add the glitter that our Christmas tags need. There. You can see it's going to sparkle now. Alright, and then one last step to this is my extra little tag. So what I decided was, then I decided I was going to put the little clothespin on it, and then just go ahead and put it in like just like that. Anyway, there is day 7 tag. I hope you like it. And if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you would subscribe. And make sure you check out the other 6 days. And then real quick, I just wanted to show you yesterday's tag. He actually dried very well, and he's holding up very good. All right, so anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow with day 8. All right, till next time, guys, and tomorrow, happy crafting. Bye.